we deal with these equations separately. X squared minus y squared is equal to 8. We note that this is a difference of two squares. So x minus y multiplying x plus y is equal to 8. Then we come to this equation. X over 4 plus y over 4 is equal to 1. In order for us to clear the fraction, we multiply every term by 4. So x over 4 multiplying 4, y over 4 multiplying 4, and 1 multiplying 4. So 4 cancels out, x plus 4 cancels out, y is equal to 4. So x plus y is equal to 4, and here we also have a part which contains x plus y. So we are going to substitute this bracket with 4. We now have x minus y multiplying 4 is equal to 8. We can divide both sides with 4. So we now have 4 cancelling out, x minus y is equal to 2, since 4 into 8 is 2. So this is our first equation. And x plus y is equals to 4, equation 2. Let us now solve these equations simultaneously. So equation 1, x minus y is equal to 2. And our second equation, x plus y is equal to 4. Let us use the method of elimination. So we want to eliminate x. This means we have to subtract the second equation. X minus x, that is 0, minus y minus plus y, which is minus y minus y, that is minus 2y, is equal to 2 minus 4 is minus 2. So we divide with negative 2 both sides, and y is equal to 1, since minus 2 cancels out with minus 2. What is x then? Let me use this space. In order for us to find x, we can take either the first equation or the second equation. So let us take the first. X minus y is equal to 2. We substitute y with 1, so it becomes x minus 1 is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 plus 1. Minus 1 crossed over the equal sign and changed its sign. So x is equal to 3. Our question wants us to find what x minus y squared is. X minus y all squared. So we are going to substitute x with 3 and y with 1. So it becomes 3 minus 1 squared, which is 2 squared, and eventually our answer is 4.